Hello guys, and welcome finally to another video. And in today's video, I heard from Snake Fug's recent video on Squeak. I heard he was really broken. I wanted to try him out in the game mode where Snake Fug gave him S tier. So from what I know, he gave him an S tier in duos, in trios, and in it was a knockout. Okay, so blind shot worked. Yo, I want to go in there, but I don't at the same time, you know? Oh! Hold up. Oh, I knew that I was trying to. Oh, it's still hit anyways. Oh. Nope. Blind shot. Here we go. Oh, I didn't hit it. Anyways, just gonna keep on doing blind shots. Because of the gadget we have enough to do blind shots. No! Okay. You know what? I'll take rank 2. It still gave me some trophies. On to trios. Okay, so out of all the stuff that got S tier, this one got S tier plus. Blind shot. No. Okay, wait. Blind shot. Here we go. Nope. If I try to blind shot from this angle. Oh, I hit someone. I can't tell if these. Oh, that was actually good. Oh, but he's still so cooked. Never mind, actually. Ooh. Oh, they're depending on me now. I don't like this. Oh, yo, okay. That was actually pretty good. I can't even lie. That was actually, okay. That was a good one. Ooh, now let's check. If you aren't subscribed to Snake Bug already, then subscribe to him. But also subscribe to me. Yeah, I just did the worst shot ever. But yeah, anyways, guys, subscribe to me and him. Oh, no. Oh, that was so bad. I just got murdered. Oh, why did I? No. Oh, no, he's so cooked. He did so bad. If I landed that first shot, I could have cooked. See about. Oh, I got no. Since the video isn't that long, I'm gonna do this again to see if I win. We got. Oh, there's another Squeak. Oh, nah. But first, let's just hope he didn't watch Snake Fug's video. Fork. Oh, you're actually missing. Oh, you're actually missing so hard. Oh my god. Get better. I say, oh. I was about to say, I say as I missed, but I didn't miss. I'm actually so good. I'm so good at this. That's why I'm the better Squeak. Boom. See, but watch him try to go for the middle. No! I'm so dumb! No! See, Bo, that's why we're so cooked. We are so cooked. Unless Unless Poco goes crazy. Don't worry, we got this one. This one will be our comeback moment. Watch this. Yep, see? They none of it. Oh, freak, no! Oh, you missed. Oh, no, I'm so cooked. I'm so cooked. Oh, we're gonna try this one more time. One more time. We better win. Alright, let's do this. Okay, we got. Okay, now turret brawlers. Okay. Sibo, see that? Sibo. I can hit this. Oh no. Yes. So close. Why you hitting me? What did I do, bro? I missed that shot. That's why I did. Oh nah. Oh yeah, ouchies. Sibo. What is that? Don't get mad. He probably just like didn't have a slip or something. Yeah, that's it. Can't blame him for that. Can. Oh no. Oh, I killed him. Well, see, I'm just bad at this game. That's it. I'm just bad. Alright, guys. Well, I hope you like enjoyed that video. So, like, yeah. Bye, guys.